Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nailer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this super cute summer nail set, so let's begin. As you can see, I started off by applying a gel base coat, and then I'm just wiping it off with alcohol, and then the next step is applying the base color, which is blue and pink. And now I'm just applying a second coat. And now to start the design, I'm just taking white and I'm starting with a dotting tool, and I'm doing one flower petal at a time. This design is pretty simple since it's just one accent nail, so I just did a few flowers. And now for some contrast, I'm just adding some small white dots. And the last part of the design is just adding the center to the flowers. Lastly, I'm sealing that all in with a top coat. And here is the completed nail set. As you can see, it comes with a little baggie that has nail glue and a buffer, and it comes in this adorable little box. And then I have a Simply Nail Art Set sticker on it. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video, and comment down below any nail sets you want to see me do in the future. Thanks. Bye.